Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly why Red Dead Redemption isn't installing on your Android phone and how you can fix the "your device isn't compatible with this version" error on the Play Store. So, if you're trying to download the game and keep seeing that red error message, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Settings app on your phone. Now, look for About Phone. Depending on your device, this option might be at the very top or at the very bottom. Next, look for your Android version. For example, my phone is currently on Android 14. Here's the important part. Red Dead Redemption only works on the latest Android versions, Android 15 and above. If your phone is running an older version, the Play Store will automatically block the installation and show you that compatibility error. Now, if your phone shows a software update, make sure to download and install it. Updating your Android version can solve the problem instantly. Next, let's talk about performance. Even if your Android version is supported, your device also needs a powerful processor because this is a heavy, high graphics game. It currently works best on newer, high-end phones only. And that's it. There's no hidden button or special trick. You just need to make sure your phone's Android version and processor meet the requirements. Once your device is updated and compatible, you'll be able to install and play Red Dead Redemption without any issues. If you're still having trouble, comment below and tell me which phone model you're trying to install it on, and I'll help you out. If this quick tutorial helped you out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more.